Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, couple of words on the gold market. Well, gold has appeared to be not as simple as it was in the beginning of the last session. So if you remember, yesterday we have started discussion when the gold was right here, slightly below the 1080 area, and we said, guys, market stands just at the edge of the shifting the sentiment, shifting this context to the bearish. If it will fail to hold above these lows, above the inside of this consolidation and drop lower, that will be mostly done thing with the downward continuation and reaching of the 1000 even area. But we said as market still holds here, we need to some more clarity. We need to see clear signs either of the breakout or rebound of the gold. And take a look, right at the end of the session, market has rebounded and turned to the upside action and has confirmed the strength of the support. Is 1085 area still working, and market still holds above it and trying to stay above it, trying to reestablish upward action. Unfortunately, guys, we haven't got our bullish grabber that we have counted on, and the situation could be much simpler if we would get it, but unfortunately we do not have it. And this absence of some clearer pattern creates some lack of the context, insufficient context for taking the long position. Yes, market has confirmed the strength of the support, but this action, what was that? So traders right now in the comments tell that it's mostly the profit taking. This upward action looks not bad, but what the chances, what the guarantee that market will continue to move higher? Appearing of the grabber could give us at least some hope that market will take it out of this top, and taking out of this top already will mean this upward action should continue. But here we don't have a grabber, and this rally up could finish as fast as it has started yesterday. So market, for example, right now could turn down and drop this area. That's why the situation is very tricky for those of you who would like to take the long position. The first point of view, we probably could try to do this, since market right now stays above this 1085. This support confirms its strength and keeps the price above it, and keeps simultaneously the chances on the further upward action. But on the second point of view, the standing just above this area is not sufficient for counting on upward continuation. The standing above this area just tells that support is strong. But what the strength of the market itself? Well, whether it will be able to continue to move higher. And when you have no patterns, it's very difficult to count on it. That's why we probably should wait for something more. Of course, you could try to take the long, but just with some small minor volume trading, just to make an experiment. So market could do this, could continue to move higher, but we can't say it definitely, since we just do not have the background for that. We can't say to you that market will continue to move higher because of something, but this particular because of, we do not have it, except this just strength of this support area. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, there's some clarity concerning this possible retracement down, why it was a bit longer. Recall first of all this situation that we have discussed previously, when the market stands also at the edge of the failure of our double repo pattern. Market just by some miracle has held above the 1060 and keeps the double repo valid, and as a result the double repo has hit its target. But recall what has happened. Market has completed ABCD, but then dropped slightly lower and completed this butterfly buy pattern. So market slightly has increased the target of the ABCD retracement and then turn up. Here we have approximately the same situation. Market has completed ABCD pattern, but again has dropped slightly lower, and that has happened, as I suspect that by this minor drop, market just has retested the previous extreme points, the previous top. So market has this habit to retest the broken tops on the retracement down. That's why maybe market has moved slightly lower than the ABCD target. But take a look what's now is happening. So market has moved up above again our confidence. It's probably not really valid this level because it has broken very significant for our time frame scale. But right now it stands above it. But take a look, it has failed to pass through the weekly pivot point. It stands below it, and also it wasn't able to return back inside of this some kind of the double top or something of that sort. This was particularly the support of this, let's call it neckline, that coincides with the weekly pivot point. So market has tested it, bounced up, broken down. Now it's retracement. The market has failed to pass through it. That's why if you still would like to take the long, maybe you need to wait at least when the market will return back above the weekly pivot point and return back inside of the consolidation of this double top, some formation or something of that sort. It's not, of course, the double top pattern, but let's call it in this manner just to somehow name this substance. So if you would like to take the long, it's better to wait until market at least will return back inside of this consolidation. In this case, maybe the chances on the upward continuation will become greater. But right now, I think it's better to not take any position yet. So from the one point of view, it's too early to take the short because market returned back above the 1085 and it's really could start move up. So if market will break below 1070, in this case, we probably will turn to the short position. Because this will be below the weekly pivot point, below the major 618, and in this case market definitely will return back below this consolidation, and definitely return back inside of that consolidation. That's why for us the 1072 is very important for a bearish setup. For the bullish setup, right now, as I said, we have a lack of patterns, not sufficient context for taking the long position. But if you still would like to do this, wait at least when the market returns back inside above the weekly pivot point. In this case, you could do the following thing. For example, if market will move continue higher, you could drop to the hourly chart and take a look. Market right now stands at this support, 1089, 38 pip support on this most recent move up. If market will return right back up, in this case, you could find from this upward action that market stands right now, when it will continue move higher, you could find confidence support. This, in fact, guys, that Judd Napoli calls as the Minesweeper B entry technique. We need some continuation, the progress of the upward reaction, and then you should find the confidence support and trying to take the position right on this confidence support. So, but for that purpose, you need the upward continuation and at least another leg up that will be able to create the confidence. So that's the minimum conditions that you have to follow before taking the long position. Right now, I think that's too risky for taking long.